Hello everyone! Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. So our lesson for today is the continuation of our last lesson, which is exponents. So we're going to discuss the second laws of exponents, which is first power rule of exponents. Okay, so what is first power rule of exponents? So if m and n are natural numbers are 1 and above, then x raised to m to the power of n is equal to x mn. Meaning to say, any number having the same, any number with the power of any power of m or n, then just copy the number, then multiply the exponent. I will repeat. Anything meaning to say anything that you're going to multiply anything inside the parenthesis with the exponent outside. I'll repeat. You need to multiply anything inside the parenthesis with the exponent outside. Okay? So, to understand more, we're going to have some examples. So, example number 1, we have here 2 raised to the second power to the power of 5. Okay? So, in here, simply copy the base, which is 2. And then, you're going to multiply the exponent. So, 5 times 2, we have 10. Okay? Next, example number 2, we have here a to the 4th power raised to the 5th power. So, simply copy a, which is the base, and then multiply the exponent. 5 times 4, we have 20. Easy, right? Okay, next, number 3. So, negative c cubed to the power of 6. So, simply copy negative c and then multiply the exponent. 6 times 3, 18. So, this is our answer. So, we can write this way or we can write this way. So, better if we write this way. Why? Because there is a big difference between writing negative c 18 and close and open parenthesis negative c raised to the 18th power. Okay? So, the final answer of this is positive and the final answer of this is negative. Why? Because only c has the exponent 18. But in here, negative is included in the exponent. So, the final answer is this one. Okay? Be careful with that. Our example number 4, we have here negative 3x cubed to the power of 4. So, again, the exponent outside the parenthesis will be distributed to all numbers or letters inside the parenthesis or all the elements inside the parenthesis. So, we will start with negative 3. So, negative 3 raised to the 4th power and then x cubed to the 4th power. Okay? So, that is the meaning of first power rule of exponents. Anything outside the parenthesis will be distributed inside the parenthesis. We're talking about power, exponent, okay? So, just copy the base negative 3, then to the 4th power, copy base x cubed, and then 4th power. So in here, sa negative 3, if there's nothing written as exponent, then automatically the exponent is 1. Okay? So, negative 3 to the 4th. 4 times 1 is 4. So, negative 3 to the 4th power. Then, x. 4 times 3, 12. And, of course, the lowest term. Remember this one. If the base is negative and the exponent is even number, then the answer is always positive. I will repeat. If the base is negative and the exponent is even number, then the answer is always positive. So in here, we have already positive answer because the exponent is even number. Simply multiply now 3 4 times. Kasi 3 to the 4th power means you're going to multiply the base 4 times. So, 3 times 3, 9. Times 3, 27. Times 3, we have 81. So, 81. Then copy x to the 12th power. Therefore, the answer is 81x to the 12th power. Okay? Okay, next. Example number 5. This is easy since we only have one base. So, since our base is y, so you just copy y. And then, multiply the exponent with the exponent outside the parentheses. So, 5 copy multiplied by 3x minus 10. So, in here, we will apply distributive property. Okay? So, copy the base y and then multiply 5 or anything outside will be multiply all the elements inside. So, that is distributive property. So, 5 times 3. 3x, I should say. So, we will start with the number 5 times 3, 15. Then, of course, x. Next, positive times negative, negative. 5 times 10, we have 50. So, our final answer is y raised to 15x minus 50. Simple. Okay? Next, number 6. That is our final answer already. So, for number 6, we will do the same with example number 4. So, we will distribute 3 with the exponent 3. Okay? So, next, we will do e to the 4th power multiplied by 3. Okay. Maybe you're asking why I didn't put close and open parentheses here, and in here, I put close and open parentheses. Okay, since this is positive, it's okay not to put close and open parentheses. It's not a big deal. But if the base is negative, you need to put close and open parentheses because there's a big deal. Okay, so in here, you can put it, but you can also not put it. Okay? Because this is positive already. Okay, next. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, we have 27. Next, copy the base e, and then multiply the exponent. 4 times 3, 12. And that's our final answer. Okay? Okay, next, number 7. Let's do the same step. So, negative 4 copy the base with the exponent 2 outside. And then f is squared. And then copy the exponent outside. Then after that, you're going to perform the operation. So, negative 4 is squared again. The exponent is even number. Therefore, we will be having a positive answer. So 4 times 4 or 4 squared is 16. And then copy F. 2 times 2, multiply the exponent. We had 4. So our final answer is 16f to the 4th power. Okay? Okay, next, number 8 example. So in here, we will perform the same operation like number 5. So copy y and then simply multiply 3 with the exponent outside, which is 3x minus 2. Then after that, simplify, copy the base y, and then the exponent, distributive property. Okay, so 3 times 3x, we have 9x. Okay, since pareho silang positive, then never mind. Next dito, in here, we have 3 times negative 2. So, positive times negative is negative. 3 times 2, we have 6. So, our final answer is y raised to 9x minus. Okay, so for example, number 9, we have here 4b to the 4th power raised to 3x plus 2. So, we're going to distribute the 3x plus 2, anything inside the close and open parenthesis. So, we have 4 first. So, 4 raised to 3x plus 2 automatically since the exponent is 1. So, 1 times any number is equal to the number itself. Next, we have b to the 4th power multiplied by 3x plus 2. So, this is multiplication, okay? The exponents will be multiplied. Next, simplified. So, this is already simplified. This is the one that we're going to simplify. So, 4, 3x plus 2. Then, b, 4, distributive property. So, positive and positive, positive na siya. Then, 4 times 3, 12. X. Next, positive times positive is positive. So, 4 times 2, 8. So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, this cannot be simplified. This is already the simplified form. Next, last example, number 10. So, we're going to, if you notice, there is a negative sign outside. That means that there is a negative 1 here. There is 1 outside. But again, as I always told you, 1 is invisible, so no need to write 1. So this means that the negative 1 outside is not included in the exponent 5. Therefore, we just write negative outside. Okay? Next, 2. So, copy 2, the base 2. Again, there is 1 exponent. It is invisible. So, 5 times 1 is 5. Next, multiplied by x to the 4th power. And then again, 4 multiplied by 5. Next, so copy the negative sign. Then 2 raised to the 5th power is equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, we have 32. Then, x, copy. And then, multiply the exponent. So, 4 times 5, 20. Again, we have negative 1 outside. So, if we're going to multiply negative 1 outside with all the elements inside, then our final answer is just remove the close and open parenthesis and put negative. So, negative 32x 20. Why? Because negative 1 times 32 is negative 32x to the 20th power. So, this is our final answer. Okay, so that's how we will compute the first power rule of exponent. simply multiply the exponent outside the parenthesis with all the exponents inside the parenthesis, with all the elements. Okay? And take note, if the base is negative and the exponent is even number, then the answer is always positive. I'll repeat. If the base is negative and the exponent is even number, then the answer is always positive. And if the base is negative and the exponent is odd numbers, then the answer is always negative. Again, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this lesson, and I hope to see you again. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye!